In my last videos, we had studied about the shear force and bending moment diagram and its introduction. And in my last previous to this video, I had solved a problem regarding the cantilever being subjected to point load. So in this video, we will see the cantilever being subjected to uniformly distributed load or UDL. So here I had drawn a beam. It is having two uniformly distributed loads. First one is 10 Newton per meter expanding up to 2 meter from this end, and another one is at the mid of the somewhere in the mid of the beam, that is 5 Newton per meter, and it is also extended up to 2 meter. So I had, while teaching the conceptual portion of this topic, I told you that for uniformly distributed load, you have to convert the uniformly distributed load into point load. Then only you can solve the problems from shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. So first we will convert them into point load, then we will draw the SFT and TMT. So when we will convert this one into point load, this will be 10 Newton per meter expanding up to 2 meter. So its value will be 20 Newton, and it will act at the mid of this 2 meter, that is 1 meter from this side. Similarly, 5 into 2, 10 Newton, this load value, and this will act at 1 meter from this side. This will act 1 meter from this side. So, as I had told you previously, first let us give the name to the salient points. This is A, B, C, D, E. So first we will consider for this section D, just like we are doing in our previous problem. For section D, take a cross section XX here at a distance of X from E. First let us draw that one here. This is the cross section XX, and this is the member, and this is the point E. Here the uniformly distributed load is. So what will be this shear force value? SF at X, SFX is equal to, how much this value? 10 Newton into this distance is X. So 10 into X Newton. What will be the bending moment value? Bending moment at X is equal to 10 into X by 2. Why? Because this much value is 10 into X, and it will act at the midpoint of this one. So 10 into X by 2. That is 10 X square, or 2 10. This is 5 X square. Okay. Now at E, X value is equal to 0. At D, X value is equal to 2. At E, X value is equal to 0. At D, X value is equal to 2. Why? Because this length is X as well. 2 and the X is taken in between them. So whenever this point will come to here, the X will become 0. Whenever this point will come to here, the X will become 2 meter. So here SF at E is equal to 10 into 0, that is 0 Newton. BM at E, that is 10 into 5 into 0 square, that is 0 Newton meter. At D, SF at D is equal to 10 into 2, that is 20 Newton, and BM at D, that is 5 into 2 square. So 5 into 4, that is 20 Newton meter. So we will draw the shear force and bending moment diagram. Here for this shear force diagram, and this is the bending moment. Before that, we have to take into consideration the sign convention. So by this is the right side of the beam, and because of this force, it is coming in the downward direction. Whenever the right side goes to upward, that is negative, as the right side is coming to downward. So this will be positive. So this is positive shear force, and whenever the force will act, the beam have a tendency to bend in this direction. So type of hat-like structure is normally a hat-like structure is taken as negative for the bending moment. So this one is minus. So here is also minus. For 0 there is no minus, and here this is minus. So minus 20 Newton meter. So if we will draw here at point E shear force is 0, at point D shear force is 20. So the line will be drawn like this. This is 0, this is 20. And bending moment at E is 0 and bending moment at D is minus 20. This is minus 20. Now the question is that definitely this line will be a straight line because here x to the power 1 is there. And in my previous video also I told you y equal to mx plus c, that is a straight line equation. So definitely the shear force line will be a straight line. But in case of bending moment, here x to the power is 2. So definitely it is not a straight line, something other than this straight line. That is a curve or something. So here that will be drawn like this. It cannot be drawn as a straight line. This will be a curve, the bending moment line. Next, we will come to the section CD. So for section CD, we will take a cross section XX here. So now CD. We will draw this one. This is the XX cross section. Here up to 2 meter. UDL is there 10 Newton per meter. And this is the distance x. So at x, SF at x equal to, this force value is 10 into 2, 20 Newton. And as from here to here no force is there, so nothing will be added into this shear force. Bending moment at x is equal to, this value is 20 and it is acting at the midpoint, so 20 into distance will be 1 plus x. So 20 into 1 plus x. Again the sign convention, because of this force this member is coming in the downward direction, so this is positive, and as this is forming a hat like structure, so this is negative as the sign convention we had seen previously. So at D x equal to 0, at D this is the point D, this is the point E, at C x equal to 2. So SF at D is equal to 20 Newton, SF at C is equal to 20 Newton, because this is independent of x, so it does not matter whether x is 0 or x is 2. DM at D is equal to minus 20 into 1 plus 2, that is 1 plus 0, that is minus 20 Newton meter. And here bending moment at D is equal to minus 20 into 1 plus 2, that is minus 60 Newton meter. Okay, so let us draw that one in the shear force diagram. Shear force diagram at points B it is 20 and at point C also it is 20. It will be a straight line like this. And bending moment, here this is minus 20 and here this is minus 60. Minus 60. And it will be a straight line because in this equation x to the power 1 is there. So definitely this will be a straight line from here to here. Now let us go to the section BC. Up to CD it is clear. Now let us go to section BC. For section BC, what do you have to do? We have to take a cross section here. that is x distance from C. Okay, now let us draw that one. This one like this, and from D to E. Then Newton per meter. This is 2 meter. Again, this 2 meter, nothing is there. And here another one, UDL is there. That is 5 Newton per meter, and this distance is x. As you get again, this is the cross section x. So at x, SF at x is equal to, see, every force is coming in the downward direction, right side downward, positive. So I am taking all the signs as positive. This is 10 into 2, 20. Plus, no forces are there in this cross section. This is C, D, E. Again, here from here to here, 5 into x. 5 into x. This is the shear force, and bending moment is, this is 10 into 2, 20. 20, it is acting at this point. So this distance is 1. This is 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus x. So 20 into 3 plus x. Here no force is there. Here again, this is 5 into x by 2. So at C, x is equal to 0. At B, x is equal to 2. So SF at C is equal to 20 in plus 5 into 0, that is 20 Newton. SF at B is equal to 20 plus 5 into 2, that is 30 Newton. DM at C is equal to 20 into 3 plus 0 plus 5 into 0 by 2, that is 60 Newton meter, and this will be negative. Bending moment is negative. Similarly, for B, bending moment at B is equal to 20 into 3 plus x is 2 plus 5 into 2 into 2 by 2. Whole is minus. So this 2 gets cancelled. So this will be 20 into 500 plus 10. This is minus 100 Newton meter. Now let us draw that one. Shear force at C is 20. Okay. And shear force at B is 30. At this point, this is 30. This is 20 Newton and this is 30 Newton, and it will be a straight line because in this formula x to the power 1 is there. But in case of bending moment, here this is minus 60 and here this is minus 100. And as x to the power 2 is there, x square in this formula is there. So this will be a cos minus 100 Newton meter. Now we'll move to section AB. For section AB, we will take a cross section here, XX. So let us take the cross section XX. This is the UDL. Newton per meter. this is 2 meter, and this distance is 2 meter, this distance is 2 meter, where another one union is there 5 Newton per meter, this is x meter. So points are B, C, D, E. SF at x is equal to 20 plus, here no force is there, here only 5 Newton per meter up to 2 meter, so 10, that is 30 Newton, and again this is positive because right side is going in the downward direction. Bending moment at x is equal to this 20 into minus symbol, it is starting 20 into 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus x, that is 5 plus x, plus here there is no moment is there, no force is there, so no moment. Here 5 into 2 10 into 1 plus x, this is the bending moment formula. So now at B x is equal to 0, at A x is equal to 2. So SF at B is equal to 30 Newton, when SF at A is equal to 30 Newton. Bending moment at B is equal to minus 20 into 5 plus 0 plus 10 into 1 plus 0. So 20 into 5, 10 into 1, so minus 110 Newton meter. Similarly, here bending moment at A is equal to minus 20 into 5 plus 2 plus 10 into 1 plus, this is 20 into 5 plus 2, 7, 140 plus this is 30, so minus 200 Newton meter. Now let us draw that one. Here it is 30, here also 30. So shear force at A is also 30 Newton, and bending moment here is minus 100. And here this is bending moment at A is minus 200. So this is minus 200 Newton meter. Now I will highlight this one. This will be the shear force diagram, and this will be the bending moment diagram.